Today we'll be making lamb shank. This is so easy to make as we use crock pot to cook until the meat is tender and fall off the bone. You can also use beef ribs instead of lamb shank. And Marcy, this is for you. First, dice half a large onion and set aside. Dice 1 small celery stalk and 1 carrot. Chop 3 large garlic cloves. Season the lamb shank with fresh black pepper and salt. Heat up your pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice. I use avocado oil. Once the pan is hot, put your lamb. You want to hear the sizzle. Brown for about 2 minutes on each side and turn to the other side. You would want to brown all sides as much as you can. If you do not want to take the extra step to brown it, you can just put in a crock pot, but I personally think browning adds more flavor. When it's brown on all sides like this, transfer to your crock pot. In the same pan where I browned my lamb shank, put all the cut up vegetables including the garlic. Then add 1 bay leaf, add half teaspoon dried thyme, half teaspoon dried rosemary, and 1/4 teaspoon dried parsley and saute briefly. Add half cup red wine and 1 cup chicken broth to the pan just to deglaze the pan and turn off the heat. Pour it on the lamb shank. Add 2 teaspoons tomato paste and enough chicken broth to cover. If you are cooking for 2 or 3 people, you will use less broth because more shanks are filling up the crock pot. But I'm cooking for 1 this time. Cover and cook for 7 hours. After 7 hours, take it out from the crock pot and this is what it looks like. I like to strain the liquid, then boil to reduce. Because we're only cooking for 1, and add more broth to cover, we definitely want to reduce the sauce. When the sauce is thickened like this, I like to add the lamb shank and let it bathe in the thickened sauce a little bit. Dilute some cornstarch in chicken broth and pour on the sauce. I suggest using 2 teaspoons cornstarch first, as you can always add more. Cook until the sauce is at your desired consistency while basting the lamb. If you like my video, you can help support my channel by clicking subscribe and don't forget to like the video. To my subscribers, thank you for your support. Serve with mashed potato or rice or any starch and vegetables of your choice. Thank you for watching and see you next time.